Hey guys, today we have another great episode of Dawn's Delicious Desserts. Dawn, what are we making today?
We're going to make sloppy joes, and first we need a pound of ground meat. It's over here.
Oh, there we go.
So about a pound. You can have a little less or a little more. We're just going to brown our ground meat and then we'll be back. Okay, so I decided to do a little over a double recipe. So I browned the ground meat, and then we kind of like steak seasoning. So I'm going to throw some steak seasoning in here.
And what kind of steak seasoning are we using?
You can use whatever you want.
Right here.
I use the Kansas City steak seasoning.
All right. You know what? We'll put a link down in the description for you in case you're interested in buying some.
So next we need, it calls for a medium chopped onion. And I already chopped my onion, so I'm just going to sprinkle them in here. And then a medium chopped green pepper. And I'm just going to do the same thing with that. Sprinkle that in there. And then we'll mix these up.
Smell those onions.
So we need a teaspoon of salt. And since it's a double recipe, we really don't use that much salt. So I'm just going to stick with the teaspoon. If you double it, you can use 2 teaspoons if you'd like. So then next we need 2 tablespoons of sugar. So we actually did 4 tablespoons of sugar because we doubled it. Now we need, the regular recipe is 2 tablespoons of yellow mustard. So since we doubled it, we're going to do 4. It's good.
It's looking good.
So now we need 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. So I'm going to use 2 tablespoons. Then the next is 3/4 cup of ketchup. And I doubled it, so that is 1.5 cups of ketchup. That should do it.
Oh, this is looking delicious.
And now we're going to mix this up. And then we just simmer this on medium heat. Cover it and simmer it on medium for about 15 minutes. Just be careful, just watch it. You might want to lower it, but 15 minutes should do it.
Guys, if you like these videos, please do us a favor and consider subscribing and hit the like button. It's a small thing for you, but it's a big thing for us in helping us grow our YouTube channel.
It looks done. That was 15 minutes. I simmered it between low and medium for 15 minutes, and I stirred it occasionally. It smells really good.
Oh
yeah.
My goodness. Well, now we got to put it into a sandwich. Oh yeah, need some goodness.
Good.
Oh, that's good. Oh yeah. Doesn't that look good, everybody? Now we gotta try some of it. Alright. Oh, we had to switch positions. Oh, look at that. Oh. Oh, that looks good. Alright. Onions and green peppers. Not overly crunchy, they're just perfect. And you can really get the taste of that mustard and ketchup that's in there. Oh man, that's good. Well, that's it, gang. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. from Dawn's Delicious Desserts. I know I enjoy all of them. They're so tasty. We'll put all of the ingredients, recipe, and everything down there in the description for you, so that way you can make it. We hope that your family enjoys this. And as always, stay safe and stay healthy. Take care, everybody.